Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Today in this video we are going to see the top 5 NFT games to earn money without any investment, without 0% investment. You are going to earn money by just playing, and this concept is called play to earn. And this is an awesome concept which will lead you make lots and lots of money. And now we are going to explore top 5 websites for NFT games without any investment. The website number 1 is Axie Infinity Origin, which is a free game, 100 to 100% free, and you can play this game through this website axieinfinity.com. By clicking on play now, you can play it, and you should get started for this, and you can create an account and you can download this application and you can play. And this is the greatest method to earn money. And the second website is Adamant Mine, which is this game is organized by adamantcoin.com website. You can play this game by clicking on play, and you can play this game by clicking on the game, and you should connect your wallet, digital wallet, to this game in order to earn money without 0%, without any 0% investment. Third website is hodlgod.com. This is also great and a super awesome game to earn money without any investment. And this is powered by the blockchain technology and based on NFTs, and you can earn money with 0% investment. You can download this by clicking on download, and this will download a setup.executable file. And the fourth best game to earn money without any investment is the Sandbox Metaverse. This is a great game and you can play it for free without any registration fees, and you can buy land too, and you can play free. And in order to proceed with the rest, you should create an account. MetaMask is highly recommended by this website in order to play the game, and you can sign up using Facebook, Twitter and Google accounts, or using your email account. And the fifth best game to earn money by playing with NFTs is Blanco's Block Party. This is also 100% free website of the game to earn money without any investment. As you can see in this background video, this is a super awesome game to play and earn. And you can download this game using this download by clicking on this download launcher. You can sign up or either log in. If you have an account, you can log in, or if you don't have an account, you can sign up, and there is a shop in this website too. And that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel for more videos and tech tips. See you in the next one.